you gonna say?
I won't say anything, you know. I had that thing I was gonna tell you, but not now.
I'm in Washington with my mom. So I'm here for 5 days. What are we gonna do?
Play with the horses.
We're gonna play with the horses.
Play board games and drink red wine.
Yes.
The best of all is
You just got a tractor.
for my 60th birthday. Boom. Yes, I did. So we're gonna put our overalls on and have some sort of tractor competition.
I think we should have a tractor competition. Floating bridge.
I think that somebody lives on that island and you can only get there by boat.
It's pretty cool. What are you doing? All right, sit. Lay down. Lay down. Roll over. Yep, sit. Here you go.
Thank you.
Good, give me a kiss.
Cheers.
Boom.
1-5.
Go! Check out these stairs. What do you got there?
Got a dandy. Got me a dandy from Murphy.
And we're back. Shake. Good walk. Mom, where are we going?
Ken, we're going to town. I'm going to town. We have little Italian quadratini cookies
Quadratini.
that you used to eat like crazy when you were
Yeah.
a little bambino.
What is Uptown?
Uh-huh.
We're in Uptown, Port Townsend.
Definitely. Apparently uptown is where all the good Victorian people lived when this town was being built in the late 1800s, and all the prostitution houses and beer halls were down the hill where we're about to go. These are good.
That's where we gotta go.
We are just as good as they were 30 years ago.
Where are we?
At the bell tower. Port Townsend, last one of its kind in the United States. Oh, it's the only known tower of its kind in the United States.
For more than 50 years, the bell was used to call volunteer firefighters to their posts. It is the only known tower of its kind in the United States. It was restored in 2003 by the Jefferson County Historical Society and the city of Port Townsend, and remains an important reminder of our heritage.
This whole area, the whole downtown, is a tsunami zone.
It's a tsunami
And
zone.
Sandy and I both have a thing about tsunamis.
Let's get a little.
They're
hold on.
redoing that whole building.
Oh, are they? What do we think of the speakeasy?
I think it was great. Look at my red face.
Look at that.
Plenty of wine, and
We loved it.
we need to get pizza now. This is huge.
Look at that.
Look at those.
By myself. In bed. All night until about 1 in the morning. Yeah, that didn't work.
Enough fucking around. It's time to get to work.
You're gonna like that better.
Everyone at home, if you're ever wondering why horses wear masks, it's to keep the flies away. We don't have enough diesel. We'll be back for the tractoring tomorrow. All right, we're ready to rock. We fueled her up. Now we're gonna have a tractor competition. Here's how it's gonna go. You're gonna start right here. You're gonna drive over, pick up that stump. Then you gotta drive through these poles and drop the stump in there. Then you gotta back the tractor up, back through the poles, head over here, do as tight of a counterclockwise circle around the horse toy, and then bring it back to the start. And whoever finishes in the fastest time wins. Boom! All right, spoiler alert, this was way harder than we thought it was gonna be. I think right away you can probably tell that no one actually won, but stick around and watch us do our best. Shout out to any tractor, forklift, heavy machinery operators out there. You are the real heroes.
That was ridiculous. It's this bucket, I gotta say, it is harder than I thought it would be.
It's hard.
To finesse anything. And I used to hire people and think, why are they just diddling around, so long? I had no idea how hard it is. Like just smoothing anything or picking up anything. I definitely appreciate now how hard it is.
All right, so you broke the stump.
I did. So should I find you a new stump?
I think, no, I'll give it a go at this stump, and then
I can always just throw it in.
you got to give me a mulligan too if I
Absolutely.
if I fail 3 times. We'll see. Oh man.
It's the best birthday present I ever got.
Well, that was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
The challenge turned out to be challenging.
I don't know who won.
I definitely feel like I lost.
I don't feel like I won either. Well, let us know in the comments who you think won. I think we both lost.
We did. Yeah. Keep our day jobs.
Which are located at both ends of the main passage.
Just like that, I'm back in LA. 7 days later. Let me know what kind of content you want to see in the future. I don't know. I want the channel to be all about doing fun stuff with my friends, and let me know if there's anything that you think you'd like to see.